Now we discuss about speed. Speed is a general term in our daily life. Often we use how speed you can do it, how speed you can eat, how speed you can walk. In all these examples, what does the speed refers? In unit time, how much work you can do. In unit time, how much distance you can travel. In a unit time, how much you can eat. That means how much part we can cover in unit time is speed. Suppose we take an example. Consider the distance between two cities A and B is 200 km. A bus takes 4 hours to reach B starting from A. Then if I ask, what is the speed of the bus? Then what is your answer? Yes, exactly. It is 200 by 4. This is equal to 50 km per hour. Now we take another question. A bus is moving with a speed 60 km per hour. How much distance it covers in 4 hours? What does it mean 60 km per hour? That means in 1 hour it can travel 60 kilometers. In 4 hours, how much distance it can travel? 60 into 4, this is equal to 240 km. A bus travels 200 km in 8 hours. Then how much distance it can cover in 1 hour? In 8 hours, it covers 200 km. In 1 hour, it covers 200 by 8. This is equal to 25 km. That means 25 km per hour. This is the speed of the bus. From these examples, we can define speed. Speed is nothing but the distance covered by a particle in unit time, or the rate at which a particle covers a distance along a given path. That is, speed is equal to distance travelled by time. Distance travelled is a scalar quantity, time is a scalar quantity. Therefore, the speed of a particle is also a scalar quantity. The units of the speed for distance in CGS system, the unit is centimeter, for time it is second. Therefore, the units of speed in CGS system is centimeter per second, and in MKS system or in SI system, for distance it is meter, for time it is second. Therefore, the unit of speed is meter per second. And now we discuss about average speed and instantaneous speed. To understand this, we take this example. The distance between Delhi and Agra is 210 km. A bus takes 3 hours to reach Agra starting from Delhi. Then what is the speed of the bus? In this case, speed is nothing but total distance by time. Now this is equivalent to 210 by 3. This is equal to 70 km per hour. This is nothing but average speed. Now what is the meaning of average speed? Already we defined to travel Delhi to Agra, the speed of the bus is 70 km per hour. Already we defined while traveling Delhi to Agra, the speed of the bus is 70 km per hour. But the bus cannot travel always with 70 km per hour. When it is starting from Delhi, in city, it can travel a maximum of 30 km per hour, or it may travel with a speed 40 km per hour. After coming out from the city, it may travel at a speed 90 km per hour, or it may travel with a speed 100 km per hour. Sometimes it may stop. During its journey, it may stop for some while, but the bus takes total 3 hours to reach Agra. Here the total distance by time is 210 by 3. This is equal to 70 km per hour. Now this is called the average speed. Average speed is defined as the ratio of the total distance travelled to the total time taken by the particle to cover the distance. Average speed equal to total distance by total time. But already we have seen when bus is moving from Delhi to Agra, the speed of the bus is not 70 km per hour always. It may vary. At some instant, the speed may be 25 km per hour. At some instant, the speed may be 0 km per hour when it stopped. Now the speed of bus at a given instant is known as instantaneous speed. Whatever the reading we observe in speedometer is the instantaneous speed. That means the speedometer indicates instantaneous speed of the vehicle. But the average speed is different from this speed. Average speed is nothing but total distance by total time taken, and the instantaneous speed is the speed of the particle at a particular instant of time. This is the difference between average speed and instantaneous speed. Uniform speed. A body or a particle is said to be possess uniform speed if it travels equal distances in equal intervals of time. Suppose we consider a car is moving along a straight line as shown in figure. At t equivalent to 0, this is at this position, and t equivalent to 1, this is at this position. That means during 1 second it travelled a distance 2 meters. And at t equivalent to 2, this is at this position where x equivalent to 4. That means during second it travelled a distance 2 meters. Similarly, during third second, it covers a distance 2 meters. In this example, what we are observing is this car travels equal distances in equal intervals of time. During the first second, the speed is nothing but 2 meters per 1 second. That is 2 meters per second. Similarly, during second, the speed of the car is 2 meters per second. During third second, the speed is 2 meters per second. That means the speed of the car is constant with time. Now the car is said to be moving with uniform speed. If not so, then car is said to be moving with variable speed. Suppose we consider a moving car as shown in the figure. Let us consider during first second it travels a distance 2 meters. During second it travels a distance 3 meters. During third second it travels a distance 5 meters, etc. In this case, the car not covers. In this case, car travels unequal distances in equal intervals of time. During first second, the speed of the car is 2 meters per second. During second, yes, the speed of the car is 3 meters per second. And during third second, how much speed? 5 meters per second. That means the car is not having uniform speed. It is having a variable speed. A body or a particle is said to be possess a variable speed or non-uniform speed if it covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time.